Hello, everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, the Einstein of Wall Street, February 21, option expiration. Kind of a difficult day for me, not particularly cooperative. We close out the week in sort of negative mode. We have now, I talked about it yesterday, we've had 2 days of quite severe sell-off. We ended up closing the market down below 29,000 here, but 1 billion shares traded. Option X, that's what that's about. Yesterday, the market had hit sort of intraday record highs on the NASDAQ and S&P. Then something hit the market. We sold off 600 points fast and furiously around 11:15. No one really knew. They kept saying stock slump due to the coronavirus, but no news had come out. Well, obviously the news that took the market down today was something that had probably leaked out. So we're not getting a lot of transparency, net potential honesty coming out of China about what's really going on. We're seeing the virus pour over to the borders of China and now into South Korea with 200 confirmed cases in Korea. I think that's what took the market down yesterday, unbeknownst to us, and I think that's what took the market down today. Yesterday we saw a little bit of a rally in the Russell, curiously enough, with the big sell-off in our markets, but today it follows suit and we basically have got money coming out of markets all across the board. So the Dow closed down 250, below 29,000. That was definitely a technical breakdown. The Russell off 18 handles, that's big because we literally were approaching 1,700, which is a big milestone in that. The S&P down 35.5 handles, actually probably since mid-January, the worst day yet. Closing definitely below the 3,400 level, 3,340 and that's definitely a technical breakdown below there. So Russell and S&P technical breakdowns. The Dow broke below 29,000. That's huge. We saw what was significant here. We also saw a couple of up days in equities in the beginning of the week with gold going up $10 a day, which felt like, you know what, people were buying equities, but they were inching their way into some protection by buying physical gold. All that being said, well, that's sort of out today because we've had now 2 days of big sell-offs, and today we had a complete breakout in gold, up $25, up 30 at one point, flight to safety. There's anxiety in the market. We're coming into a weekend, never good things. In February, we've had 2 Fridays that were big sells coming into weekends with a lot of potential anxiety, pundits, the White House, God knows what. We definitely, hey BB, Fridays are perfect storm days to sell this market. 2 Fridays in February where we had big sell-offs in anticipation of potential what would happen over the weekend. Better be short, better be flat, taking profits into a Monday. Last week was sort of an anomaly and back in today. All that being said, that's all I have to say. It's been a long week. I'm exhausted. Markets breaking down. Viruses worldwide. Let's hope this epidemic doesn't become a pandemic. It doesn't look good. From me, just remember what I always say. If you're a trader, be nimble. If you're an investor, don't look at your portfolio. Have a great weekend. Einstein out.